Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. You guys did a really great job in the first 2 weeks, and I think some of you still may have questions for this course. So everything you need to do for this course is to check your email every Thursday. So every Thursday I will send you an email, and all of the link to the course page will be included. So what you need to do is to click the link and go to the week page, and then check the task list and finish the tasks one by one. So that's all you need to do for this online course every week. So if you still have questions for this, please let me know. I will try to reply it as soon as possible. So now I'm going to show you the week 3 page. So in this week we have 5 tasks in total. And the first one is to watch this introduction video, and the second one is to read the basic introduction of the topic this week. And the third task is the reading assignment. So for this week, we have three reading articles. So please read them very carefully. So those are very good readings for this topic. And in the fourth task is a discussion activity. So as usual, so we have 2 parts. The first one is due next Monday, and the second one is due next Wednesday. So please remember the deadline, and please use this link to share your reflections. And I also put some guiding questions here, so you can use those questions and to use some of your source to answer those questions, or you can share some of your own reflections. So in this week, I had a new activity for this week. So it's a watch video and complete a case study. So the first thing you need to do is to watch this by using this link to watch your ABC News, and then share some of your thoughts for this news by using the Flipgrid. So I also add some guiding questions. You can use those guiding questions, or you can just share your own thoughts. So this is a Flipgrid. So please log in by using your university email. So that's all for the week 3. If you have any questions for the content this week, please let me know. Or if you find anything wrong with this course page, please also let me know. I will try to fix it as soon as possible. So thank you so much for your help, and thank you so much for your hard work in this course. And I guess I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.